This is the first time they sell pho. They even have a little sign here called pho. I guess we'll give it a shot today. Yangqing Chinese restaurant, but it's actually owned by Vietnamese, so they start making pho. Quay phim trong đây được không? Ở đây mới làm phở hả?
Dạ, mới làm phở mà không.
Yeah. Okay, so they just added pho. It's $14. Let's see. I usually go here for lunch when I was working once a while. Hi, long time no see. So lunch used to be $6 something. Now it's almost $10. Yep, inflation went up like 30%, 35% almost.
Well, what are you gonna have, like? You're gonna have one of these?
I'm gonna try pho, this combo.
I was thinking that too, but
let's go for it.
I just want to read the menu again because their menu is quite good.
We'll take two combo, two number 3. Yeah. Okay, we'll see what it looks like.
Looks good. That's what it looked like.
I record every damn thing now, just for a heck of it. That's my life now.
Why not?
Why not? I always videoing pictures.
Yeah, you were always
do that. Like even I make video.
First thing I knew about you is that you like to make videos, practically.
Yeah, I like to make video, and also. So you're pretty familiar with Vietnamese food, right? Huh?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so hello, you have the that rib. So okay, so basically we share this, and you put. You ate pho before?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's sriracha sauce. Thank you. Okay, let's see how you prepare this as an American. Okay. So this is how. Oh, you don't have to eat that. You throw that away.
I'm gonna keep that.
What?
Because it's got seeds in it. I can grow those.
Oh, really? Okay, so you get your. Ooh, I know this guy like pepper. That's ngò, which is cilantro.
Cilantro.
Cilantro is ngò.
Also
Can you say ngò?
No.
Ngò. You got. So some people squirt a little of this in there and squirt a little of this in there. Yeah.
What's this stuff?
It's good.
Plum
You mix
sauce?
it. Yeah. Sort of. Poison. You like that.
Sriracha.
Sriracha. Okay. Just kind of a little bit.
This is a little bit sweet, right?
Yeah, a little bit sweet, but so yeah, it's a little bit. Okay, good. Okay, here's how you taste pho. Before you stir it up, you taste the broth on the side first, see if it's any good. Yeah,
of course.
You tell me, and then you stir it up. Give me your reaction, real reaction.
It's got a little bit of nutmeg in it.
What's that mean? Just tell me good or bad.
It's a little bit of almost a sweet, but not really.
Well,
Excellent.
okay, stir it up, and then with all that. Ooh,
I'm gonna try a little bit with that.
Yeah, that meatball.
The meatball disc.
This meatball, to cut it. So they have like a steak meat in there, like rare, and then it's cooked by the broth.
Yep.
And they have cooked
So
meat and then
usually
tendons too.
It's usually
Ooh,
brisket.
see the tendon? No, they have both. Because this is special, everything's mixed. That's the ooh, that's good too. No. Thumbs up so far. Now mix everything up. Mix the all that sauce up. You just okay. Now you taste the soup again.
Now that it's all mixed.
Yeah, now it's all mixed. You see that chopstick would
Yeah,
better a little bit. Good.
it's good.
What would you rate it? Maybe after we eat. Don't rate it.
Don't make
rate
me do
now.
that until I've eaten the whole thing.
Okay, fair enough. My turn to mix my up.
Basil is short for basilicum. That's the original.
I may be a YouTuber. Just review foods and just knick-knack stuff. Just for fun. That's part of my retirement.
You're a publisher? Of course you are.
I will publish my book, but I
Well,
do
you can
publish the video.
on YouTube, just about anything.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I have a YouTube channel actually. I'm free. I just put everything on there. I don't know what topic's going to be on there. So today's topic is got my friend here eating pho with me first time. We will give it a ranking number at the end.
Why did they start doing this?
I think it's a request because the other place,
people like it?
the only pho is very popular worldwide. Okay, so Bill's at it. So I'm gonna chow down, and we're gonna come back with a final
Editorial.
Yeah.
A review.
That's right. Okay, so here's the tendons. Here's the rare beef. There's brisket. It's not rare anymore.
Once it
That's
goes in the
right.
soup,
Exactly.
cooked.
That's why it's too sweet. It's not overcooked, and then meatballs and so forth.
Plant them again.
You eat like a real Asian. Pick the bowl up and drink. Look at that.
This is what I learned in Japan.
Oh.
It's okay to make noise.
So,
Go. Compliment to the chef.
slurping noise.
Slurp. I try not to do that here in the United States. These are good peppers too.
Is it? Oh my God. You eat them just like that?
Of course.
You ate that Vietnamese chili, so you can handle
This is no
that.
big deal.
You're the first one that set that.
I know.
Yeah, that
Dowd couldn't
trend.
stand it. He did it right after I did. He'd go, Moyer did that?
Yeah. You're the first one.
I'm not taking that sitting down. He did it the next day or something like that.
Oh.
These seeds, that's the hot part. The pith, this stuff here, that's the heat.
This guy here can eat Ukhims, that deadly, potent, devious peppers. He's the first
I've
one
still got
at
the,
work that
I
ate the
still
whole
got the
thing.
certificate.
You ate it twice because the first time you ate chips with it, then we disqualify you.
I cheated.
Not really, but you know.
There was a protest lodged. I can't remember who did it.
And then Doug, the product manager,
Hey.
he come out and create a certificate. That was fun.
That was fun.
Unbelievable. So, except for the tendons, look, oh wow, look at Bill go. Well, I agree with Bill, the tendons are a little too tough, but other than that,
Everything else is great.
if you take out a tendon, if the tendon is soft, then I
Yeah,
would
no,
give
you're
it a 9. You know, a 9 is very good rating. With the tendons in there, I give it an 8. You're right. Hey, I think that's our final rating.
Really good.
I'm gonna let the owner know about either make the tendon more edible,
Or not so much of
or no, they need to cook it more separately, or use different part of the tendons.
Doesn't
Okay.
it boil overnight? Simmer?
Well, I think this is our full review, first pho review here. We give it an 8. Okay. 8. 8. Say 8.
Tom.
8.
Tom.
8. Up.
Tom.
8.
Tom.
No, not 8. 8. 8 là 8.
Tom.
Yeah. Vietnamese is crazy.